And this is the last diagram for ear. This is just for your reference. It is the transverse section of cochlea. When I say transverse section, it's just that cochlea is a tubular pipeline which is coiled, right? So if suppose you make it straighten, this is a tubular pipeline and you have to slice it off. It's just like suppose if you have to see what is there inside a sketch pen, you have to peep into the internal structure. Similarly, we slice the tubular section off and then we see what is the arrangement inside. In my childhood, I have done this many a times with the notebook papers or the newspapers to arrange them in this pattern. Children, inside, this is the outer membrane of cochlea. Inside, you see the arrangement that the membranes have divided it into three compartments. See, this way, right? And just because of these these canals are scala vestibula, the top one, scala media, the middle one, and scala tympana is the lower one, right? Depending upon the location, the peripheral chambers or canals, scala vestibula and scala tympana, they are present at the sides. So the fluid which is present here is in perilymph. Peri means border. In these two canals of cochlea, perilymph is there, and in the central canal, endolymph is there. You can see it here. I have written with a different pen. Perilymph at the border canals and endolymph in the central canal. Right. Now you see that the median canal is basically important because it contains the organ of Corti, these orange color cells, these ones, right? These all are organ of Corti and they are settled on the basilar membrane, one membrane of scala tympana. They are settled on it and they are covered with a tectorial membrane. You can see it here, right? So that they are protected. And these organ of Corti are basically the audio receptors responsible for generating the impulses for hearing, right? So from cochlea, the nerve that goes out is cochlear nerve, which fuses with the vestibular nerve to form the auditory nerve. Right, children? I hope that this diagram is also clear to you. If you have any queries, please tell me. Otherwise, your revision of ear structure is done. Thank you.